Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. This is Peter. I hope this finds you well. Today, I wanted to do a short video here about some of the high demand jobs which are found in the United States. I know the DV lottery is coming results very soon, and if you win, you may want to know which sectors are good for you to come and look for employment. So we do have sectors like the industry of trucking, whereby you can take a certification CDL and become a truck driver and work and earn a decent income, which ranges between 50,000 to 60,000 US dollars. And also the healthcare is another area. Once you land in the United States, you will find an opportunity to go and take a certification like nurse aid, nurse assistant, and then you will be able to work in this nurse assistant group homes and in some of the hospitals. You can earn very decent money, about $30,000. The IT professionals, where they need people with certifications in cybersecurity, IT professionals, management, computer support specialists, who earn between $75,000 and above. And also in the hotels and house industries, you can work in restaurants and serve some food, do some cooking, and earn some decent income. Also, if you like teaching, they have some opportunities in the teaching industry. They call them educators. The US, they have metropolitan areas where they hire teachers for, especially if you are bilingual and you can teach in other languages like Spanish, Swahili, French. That's an opportunity right there which awaits you. And a lot of things you can do around. If you can work like housekeeping, in some of the industries. You can work in schools, you can work in offices, and other more places are waiting for you guys. So I know the results are coming very soon. The first week in May, the results for the DV lottery 2026. I did do a video earlier. If you lost your confirmation number, you need to go back to my video and look at it and make sure you know how to retrieve your confirmation number, because that's the number you are going to require in order to check the results. And as I promised, I'll be bringing updates, but I felt like today telling you about some of the high demand jobs which you are going to look at immediately you enter in the US. Those are the areas where you can find those jobs. You can find them easily, and you can start earning a decent income right away. But honest, US sometimes is going to be a rough start, but things will get better. Because the first few weeks or first few months, you are going to require a lot of income to support yourself. You're going to require money for the rent. If the person who's going to host you is going to require you to contribute towards the rent, and some of the few bills which you can be paying. For example, you have to pay for your phone bill, you have to pay for your electrical, you have to pay for a lot of things. You have to buy food, so you will need the income to meet those expenses. That's why I wanted to do these videos, to make sure that you understand very well that even if you win a green card, you will land in the United States and you are going to be requiring, some sort of income to support yourself. So thank you so much, guys. Let me know what you think below this video. And if you are new to this channel and you think this video is gonna benefit somebody, try to share. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notification on. Every time I do a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.